Hey sixth graders, in this video we're going to tackle ratio tables. I'm going to work on this two ways, one by multiplying and one by drawing this out visually. So let's get started. For a recipe, Carolyn uses 3 cups of sugar to every 4 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar to 4 cups of flour. Which table shows equivalent ratios for this recipe? Alright, so the first way that I want to tackle this is visually with some representatives. So let's call blue flour 1, 2, 3, 4 cups of flour. And let's call red our sugar 1, 2, 3. So now this question is saying I want to take this whole recipe and maybe we double it. Here it's going from 3 to 6. Here it's going from 3 to 4. I'm going to make it more. Let's say I take this and I double it. So now instead of 3, I have 6. 6 cups of sugar. Okay, so I went from 3 here. And I'm going to have another 3 cups. Now, with my flour, I am going to have 4 here. And for my next time I make the recipe, or if I make a double batch, I need 4 cups of flour. So now let's count that up. How many cups of flour do I have? I have 8. And how many cups of sugar do I have? I have 6. Now that tells me that our original ratio, which was 3 to 4, well, that's an equivalent ratio of 6 to 8. We're just doubling both. You can do that yourself, maybe without the pictures, by saying 3 to 4. If I double it, I'm going to get 6 to 8. Let's say I triple it instead. I'm making 3 batches now. So 3 times 3, that's 9. And down here, that's 12. 4 times 3, 3 times that. So now let's get rid of some wrong answers. They all have this column correct, so we can't get rid of any there. But in choice A, it says if I double this, then I'm adding 3, and we're not actually adding, we're multiplying. So I can get rid of choice A. Now choice B, if I take this 3 and 4 and I double it, I get 6 and 8. If I triple it, I get 9 and 12. That looks good, and I know that 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, so B looks good so far. I'll keep going. Now, C says that we're adding. I'm adding 1, I'm adding another one, I'm adding. But when we're scaling up ratios, let's say we're making 2 cakes or something, we're not just adding 1 and 1, we need to multiply it. So C can go. And our final one, D. Now instead of adding 1, seems like we're adding 3. We're adding 4. We're adding 4. We're adding 4. Oh, instead of 1, we're adding 4. So again, we're not adding here, we're supposed to be multiplying. So I can get rid of D. And that means that B is the correct answer. B shows equivalent ratios for this recipe. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.